Hey everyone, good evening. This is Gabriel from Ace Vacuum Cleaners in Fairfax. Our address is 11110 Lee Highway and our contact number is 703-997-9292, extension 1 for Fairfax store and extension 2 for Leesburg store. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about ReadiVac Eaze that's going to put you at ease. So let's talk about this rechargeable cordless vacuum. Very lightweight. It comes with 3 speed variables from high, medium and low. Let me show you. The high, you have this purple light coming on. The medium, the light turns to red, and on low setting the light turns to blue. On low setting the battery time is 40 minutes, and on high speed the battery running time, rather cleaning time, is 20 minutes. So which is very good for a cordless vacuum. And let me show you how it really works on all surfaces. This is literally an all surface vacuum, I can tell you. So let me show you some features on this. You have this brush roll. It's a very sleek brush roll. It comes with deep lines. In case of thread or hair, you can just clean it with a sharp object or a blade. You can just run through it for easy cleaning. And for taking out the brush roll, you just use this release button and you take out the brush roll, clean it up, and you put it back. So it's an easy way to clean it. And then you lock the release button, and that's it about the brush roll. And it comes with LED lights for better illumination in dark places like under your couch, sofas, or dark corners. So the LED lights are very helpful on that. And let me see how it works on all surfaces. So it comes with two tools, crevice and a dusting brush. You can just put it in one. So this can be converted into a handheld mode to clean completely. Yeah, this is how you use it for your. You can clean upholstery and ceilings. You can just remove this dusting brush if you want to go to the corners like this. And so, and now let me just shorten this, take this out. Take the crevice, attach it, and it's now useful to clean your car seats, sofas, couch, stairs. It's very easy to carry, and it's a very good vacuum as an alternative one where you don't need to pull out your main vacuum all the time. So in that way they are very useful. Now let me show you how you clean the dust bin on them. Just hold it like this. There's a release button here, just press it and it comes out, and you just clean the bin. And if you want, you can just wash the filters and you can put it back. And as you put the dustbin back, just hold it like this. That's it. It's back in its position. And what else on this mini wonder that you have on ReadiVac Eaze is it comes with a docking station. There you go. You can just put this on your docking station for charge. So that's pretty much about this cordless stick vacuum on today's video. Hope you enjoy the video, and for any details on those, any queries, you can just comment it on the comment section. Thanks so much.